Good afternoon, everyone. I am Simeon. Welcome back again to my page and my video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for the impression that you gave towards the last video I created. That was really amazing. Thank you very much. Now, what we are here to do today is for me to discuss the possible topics, the topics that do come out in jamb for chemistry frequently, that do come out in jamb for chemistry frequently, that do come out frequently for chemistry jamb. So I will start to list the topics that do come out in jamb frequently. So I will start to list them now one after the other. But this one, they are too long, so I'll just be mentioning the topic. I won't say anything too much about them. So now let's start. The first topic I have here on my list, where the topics that do come out in jamb for chemistry, that do come out frequently. The first one is atomic structure and chemical combination. Atomic structure and chemical combination. So if you read everything, so you are going to find a lot of questions about the atomic structures and chemical combination. The next one is kinetic theory of matter and gas law. Kinetic theory of matter and gas law. So that's where we are going to be using Charles law, Boyle's law, Graham's law of diffusion, Gay-Lussac's law, Dalton law of partial pressure. So that's all that kinetic theory and gas law are all about. Also osmosis and diffusion in chemistry and Brownian movements. So you are going to find everything in there. The next topic is acid, base and salt. You know, every aspect of acid, base and salt do come out frequently. You know it, especially the aspects, the efflorescence, the liquescency, and what do we call it, hydroscopic. That's the salts in salts under the subtopic salt. So acid, base and salt, you can't escape it, so they are inevitable. You must find them inside your question. So be expecting it. So acid, base and salt, you are going to find it very much. The next one here on my list is periodic table and families of elements. You are going to find there, you are going to find some in there, though it may not be more than a question or two, but you are going to find some in there. So that's why you are going to be finding the what do we call it, for ionization energy. So that's it. So next one is mass and volume relationship in reaction. Mass and volume relationship in reaction. So that's where it leads us to stoichiometry, and we know that stoichiometry always come out frequently. You can't study any jamb series of chemistry that you won't find stoichiometry in it. If you don't find the stoichiometry, then that means the question is not, the question bank is not I can't guarantee that it is correct for you to be using. If you can't find stoichiometry inside, that means something is wrong somewhere, because stoichiometry do come out in any exam. So study stoichiometry very well, so you won't get stranded on your paper day. The next one is type of reactions, oxidation and reduction. You know, oxidation and reduction, double composition reaction, thermal decomposition, displacement, combination, decomposition, all those stuffs, catalytic reaction, reversible reaction. So thermal dissociation, oxidation and reduction. So those are all the topics, those are all the reactions that we have. So if you study all of them, you are going to find some questions under it. The next one is electrolysis, electropotential and electrochemical series. You must find that one also. You must find it. You will find it inside your chemistry for jamb. Also, you can also find it in physics. You can also find that one in physics also. So don't don't be baffled if you also find same question for chemistry and physics, because there are some topics that are common in both physics and chemistry. The next the next topic here on my list is energy and chemical reaction. Energy and chemical reaction, that's where we have enthalpy change, entropy change, heat energy, heat of reactants, heat of products, so and all the likes. So that's where you will find it. The next one is rate of reaction, rate of chemical reaction. So that's all the topics called rate of chemical reaction. You should also study them very well because they are very, very important. You are going to find them. The next one is equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. That one is also very, very, very important topic that every science student should study very well for this JAMB, because it also do come out frequently. So you are likely to come across that topic. And the main thing that makes this chemical equilibrium to come out frequently is because of the Littleton's principle. They might not ask you that Littleton principle or the like. They won't ask you direct question, but they are going to ask you in an applied way. The next one here, I just I branch everything together and I call it the non-metals. The non-metals, all the chemical properties, the uses, the physical properties of all non-metals, and the reactions and all their maybe oxides or all their compounds of all non-metals that we have in chemistry. But to be precisely, in the first 20 elements, all read my lips, all non-metals, you are going to find no, it's not that you are going to find all the non-metals one by after the other, but among all the non-metals that we have, you are going to find maybe 2 non-metals that you are going to ask question about. So the next one is metals. So metals also, you are going to find some questions about metals. So don't be baffled. Read all the metals that we have in chemistry and study them very well. The next one is organic chemistry. Here is the complicated part of chemistry. Organic chemistry. Yes, is the most complicated part of chemistry. Yes, is the most complicated part of chemistry, where you are going to be having all the likes of let me remember, the organic chemistry 1 and organic chemistry 2. Then mind you, on organic chemistry 1 you are going to have nothing less than 6 questions on organic chemistry 1. Also on organic chemistry 2 you are going to have nothing less than 4 questions on them. Organic chemistry 2, that's acanoic acid, acanone, acanoate, and all the likes, like carbohydrates, protein, fat and oil, fatty acid, amino acid, amides, and all the likes. That's organic chemistry 2. Organic chemistry 1, that's where we are talking about the what do we call it? That's where we'll be talking about the homologous series, functional group, isomerism, let me remember, alkane, and alkyne. And alkyne. So that's why we'll be talking about all the likes of alkane and alkyne. That's organic chemistry 1. And ethanol, yes, that's also we are going to find ethanol there. Also all the reactions, the method of preparations, the physical properties, the chemical properties of all those organic compounds, you have to master them all, because you won't you can't escape it. Some of them will come out, some of them will do what, some of them will come out, so you can't escape it, and I can't say which one will come out of it. So if I could, I would have say it. Yes, if I could, I would have said it, but I can't say precisely which one will come out. So also hydrocarbons and crude oil. That one is not a crucial part, but it is also very, very important for you to study them very well. The temperature at which petroleum is is distilled out. The temperature at which bitumen is distilled out, the temperature at which petroleum oil is distilled out, also uh, all the constituents of crude oil, so the temperature at which they distilled out. So you should master them all. You should master them all. Also, they may ask you about cracking, catalytic cracking, thermal cracking, which one is the best. So they can also ask sorts of questions. Also, I haven't mentioned one that I skipped, and I intentionally skipped it to the end of the video. The what do we call it? Let me remember. The radioactive radiations and nuclear radiation and nuclear reactions. You will find it, because it is both in chemistry and in physics, and every topic that is common to both physics and chemistry do come out frequently. I mean, all the years they're going to come out. Next year it's going to come out. A year before next year they're going to come out. It's going to come out. Any topic that is common to chemistry and physics, you can't escape it. It's going to come out real good. All the likes of radioactive radiations and many more. Also, I also skip another one, the what do we call it? Carbon and its compound. But you can't find a lot of question under carbon and its compound. It's not that hard to get. You can just guess the answer if it's come out, but doesn't come out that really good. It doesn't come out frequently, but you have to please study your textbook from pali to pali, as my teacher used to say. Study your textbook from pali to pali, from the first page to the last page. Please study well, and God will help every one of us, and we shall succeed in all we lay our hands upon. In every examination that we want to do, we are all going to succeed. Thank you very much. I love you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please share this video, like, follow, subscribe, comment, and let me know your mind about all that I've been saying since this day. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful.
Thank you for watching. Please follow and subscribe for more videos.